How to activate EBT card online. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can activate your EBT card in your desktop. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Go ahead and open up any of your web browser. At the top search bar, type in www.ebtedge.com/activate. Once you have done that, you will land onto its official website. Now, if you scroll below, you will see an option that says Cardholder Login on your bottom left corner. Click on to login. Now at this page, you will see Login Portal. Under here, simply type in your user ID at the first box and your password at the box below. Once you have done that, click on to Login. In case you're having any problem signing in, click onto the option that says Trouble Signing In, and that will guide you through resetting your account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.